Today we got something fire. We got something low pro. We got the LeBron 17 lows. Let's get into it. We got a protein right here. You know, we got to have a protein for the games. So, you're going to have to stay there a little bit. Let's go. Drum roll, please. 3, 2, 1. Boom! And we got the LeBron 17s in the all black, murdered out, can't see me, low profile. If you know, you know. Shout out to the Lakers for going to the second round of the playoffs. So we had to cop some LeBrons because we know LeBron's going to do some big things. So we had to cop some. I don't know why there would be extra laces, but there isn't. So there we have it, guys. The LeBron 17s low. We're going to get a full in-depth review going. So pretty much the fabric here, it's like a heavy-duty towel, like very, very grainy, very almost reptile-ish, like the 16s. But if those of you who remember the 16s, the laces here are very heavy-duty. It's like you could go rock climbing with these and you'll be fine. So we got the whole, whatever this is called, I don't know what that is, but it's a very sleek shoe. Coming to the side of the shoe, we got, of course, we got the famous air bubble here with the Nike React in the front, with the grip of a basketball, with the fake computerized LeBron signature. That is real. All right, let's look at the insides of the shoe. Boo. I think we need like a contrast. Hold on. Let's see here. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, guys. Okay, here it has like a super good plastic, sort of like the Vapor Maxes. You know, it's sort of the same material here. Same material. By the way, guys, if you guys want to possibly win these shoes in a giveaway, we need 100 subscribers on the Vapor Max Squad channel. Link down below. Or if you're watching it on the Vapor Max Squad channel, go ahead and subscribe. Beautiful. Okay. Anyways, going back, we're just going to take this out, the inside. Let me put the flash. So there you see it. LeBron James. This is with the flash on. These are the all black. As you can see, the Nike here is a reflective, which is really cool. Front, you can wear these with anything. Going to the gym with some jeans. And you gotta go ball out. And you gotta go to church at 6, but party at 7. These are it right here. Let's throw these on the feet and finalize the review. As you can see there, it's all in the details, guys. Look at that. Air Max. All in the details with these shoes. These are sick. If you're looking for a black pair, these are black, of course. So remember, the flash is on right now. So this is how it looks with flash on. So when you're in the night, you know you're flexing on people, or you're dunking on someone and they got the flash, so you're going to see the Nike. So let's throw these on the feet, guys. So this is how they look during the day. These are the LeBron 17 black lows. So if you want a chance to win these in a giveaway, once we hit this 100 subscriber mark on the Vapor Max Squad channel, I'll throw up a poll where you guys will comment in the video whether you guys want to see the Vapor Max 3s all white, Vapor Max in the crimson, or these all black LeBrons. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. You know, you already know. You guys know all that. That signature right there, though. I didn't mention that. Looks good. All right, quick little segment here, guys. So, if you don't know what Susie's Cakes is, I will show you guys a little bit later. Here, we're trying to eat healthy right now. So check this out. This juice right here, $7. Mango, turmeric, lemonade, mango, lemon, monk, fruit juice, turmeric. Look this place up. It's pretty good. It's expensive, but look it up. Here we got strawberries, blueberries, coconut, granola, banana, and the acai. We eating healthy on this day. And you know, currently, see a little bowl right here? Look at that. It's 117 degrees. You know, just got out there to get some farmer's insurance, you know. Got out of the meeting. It's got me a little sake bowl. You know, again, this place is called Pressed Juice. I kid you not. And over here, on this tray right here, you know, check this out, guys. Oh, tamales. Comment down below if you like tamales. You know, two different things right here. I know. We'll see.